I am not a developer, but I built a full AI application that reads through thousands of pages of regulations and answers questions in plain English. I did it all by directing AI, not by writing any code. And if your business is trying to make sense of this AI craze, this is the kind of thing I can build for you. My name is George. I just separated from the US Air Force after 14 years. I've been lucky enough to travel to over 40 countries and touch all 7 continents. I have no CS degree, no dev background. I went to a coding boot camp about 10 years ago and I was the slowest guy in the room. But I learned to read code, understand structure and syntax, not fast enough to write it, but just enough to know what good looks like. Fast forward to this year, vibe coding hits, and suddenly that decade-old foundation matters. I'm not a coder, but I can direct AI like no tomorrow. That's how I that's how I've been building everything you're going to see on this channel. This channel is about one thing: what is actually possible with AI right now. Real applications, real workflows, real deployments, things I'm building, things that are breaking, what I learn along the way. So if you're not keeping track, the pace of this industry is just insane. ChatGPT dropped in late 2022. That's not even 4 years ago from the time of this recording. Since then, the entire landscape has shifted multiple times over, just in the last month even. The reality is there are very few actual experts in this field. Nobody has a 20-year head start. We're all learning this together in real time. That's the crux of this channel. We're on the cutting edge and we're figuring it out as we go. So if you've tried ChatGPT and thought, this is cool, I don't know how it helps my business, I like generating emails with it, and that's about it. Well, you're exactly who I'm making this for. So let me show you what that could actually look like for you. So this app is called Preflight. It helps veterans navigate VA disability claims before they file. Now, you're most likely not a veteran, that's fine. What matters is what this app does and how it works, because this architecture applies to any business that requires documents, regulations, and knowledge bases. And it's live right now on preflight.com. And here's the actual demo. So this is the app's co-pilot. It's not a chat GPT wrapper. When a user asks a question, it searches a local index of actual VA regulations, thousands of pages of federal regulation, indexed and searchable. So then it grounds the LLM's answer in those regulations plus the user's actual documents that he uploaded. It won't invent citations and it only cites what it actually retrieved. That's called a RAG, and I built the whole pipeline. So anyway, this channel's for two people: business owners who know AI matters but don't know where to start. You might have tried tools, you've more than likely read headlines, but you want to see something real. And the other person is anyone who's AI curious but feels like they're behind. I was the slowest guy in coding class, but if I can build what I'm building, you most likely can too. And I'll show you guys how. So every week I'll be posting a new video. I'll build logs, what I'm shipping, what breaks, workflow teardowns, actual AI systems that you can implement yourself. If that sounds like something you'd want to see, please hit subscribe. And if you're a business owner who wants to know what AI could actually do, I do free AI audits. I look at your workflow, your data, your tools. I tell you exactly what you could automate, and then you can decide if you want to implement it. Links in the bio. Once again, I'm George. This is the Load AI. I'll see you guys in the next video.